Did you know being a great UX designer isn't just about wireframing or user flow, but it's also about working well with others? Communication and collaboration are the two key ingredients that make a great design to a great user experience. Hi, I'm Sakshi, and today I'll let you know how communication and collaboration is essential for UX professionals. So, by learning them can set you apart in the industry. So let's dive in. UX design is never a solo mission. As a UX professional, you constantly work with developers to ensure your designs are technically feasible, with product manager to align your business goals, and with stakeholder to get buy-in and feedbacks. Without communication, your idea might get lost, and without collaboration, your design not might come to life as imagined. Good communication ensures everyone is on the same page, while collaboration brings in diverse perspectives to create better user-centered designs. Imagine you are redesigning a healthcare app. You, the designer, might not focus on the user flow, but the developer might bring in the potential technical challenges, and the product manager might bring in the new features to meet their business goals. When everyone contributes, as a result, there is a design that is not only user-friendly but is also realistic and also aligns with the company's goal. Let's talk about communication. Say, you have created a beautiful prototype but you can't explain why certain design decisions were made. Now, as a result, stakeholder might not see its value. Clear communication involves presenting your designs with context on what problem they solve and why they work. Actively listening to feedback and being open to changes. And using non-technical terms to explain complex concepts. Here are 3 quick tips for you to excel at communication and collaboration. First, build relationships. Build relationships with your teammates to understand their roles and challenges. Second, find the right tool. Collaborative tools like Figma and Note helps you work in real time. Third, actively listening. Try to listen to others' perspectives other than waiting for your turn. And to sum up, communication and collaboration isn't just the soft skills, it's the power skills for UX professionals. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. And let me know in the comments what is the biggest challenge faced by you while working in a team.